In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Xfinity app. First, let's open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can easily find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap that icon, the Play Store will load up, showing you a variety of apps. This is where you can find and download the Xfinity app. This app is essential for managing your Xfinity services right from your phone, making it a valuable tool for any Xfinity customer. Now that you have the Google Play Store open, it's time to search for the Xfinity app. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type in Xfinity. As you type, you may see suggestions pop up. This feature helps you quickly find what you're looking for. Once you've entered the name, press the search button on your keyboard. This action will take you to a list of results related to your search. After the search results appear, look for the Xfinity app, which should be listed among the top results. It will be labeled as Xfinity and will be published by Comcast. This is important because you want to ensure you're downloading the official app from the correct publisher. Tap on the Xfinity app to view more details about it. You will see an overview of its features, ratings, and user reviews. This information can help you feel confident that this app will meet your needs. Next, you will need to tap on the Install button. This button is usually located near the top of the app's page. Once you tap it, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. You might see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. This step is crucial because it ensures that you have the most recent version of the app, equipped with all the latest features and security updates. Now, it is time to wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet connection, this could take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. During this time, you can keep an eye on the progress bar. Once the download and installation are complete, you will see the Open button appear. This visual cue confirms that the app is ready for you to use, providing a sense of accomplishment. With the app now installed, go ahead and tap the Open button. This will launch the Xfinity app for the first time. You might see a welcome screen introducing you to the app's features, guiding you on what you can do next. This initial setup is important as it helps familiarize you with the app's layout and functionalities, making your experience smoother. Now you need to sign in with your Xfinity ID. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. If you have forgotten your credentials, there is usually an option to recover them. Signing in is essential because it connects the app to your specific account, allowing you to manage your services efficiently. Once you input your details, tap the Sign In button. Next, you may be prompted to allow any requested permissions. These permissions might include access to your location or notifications. Granting these permissions ensures that the app functions optimally. For example, location access can help in providing you with localized information about services available in your area. This is a small but important step toward a more personalized experience. Finally, you're all set to start managing your Xfinity services. You will see the main dashboard of the app, where you can access various features like billing, service management, and troubleshooting. This marks the end of the installation process, and you can now take full advantage of everything the Xfinity app has to offer. Enjoy your new app, and feel free to explore its features.